Developing right now in a controversial decision, the FDA has approved a new drug to treat Alzheimer's.
That's right. It's the first new treatment in nearly 2 decades for a disease that someone here in the U.S. develops every 65 seconds. But there is fierce debate now over whether this drug actually works.
Haley Hernandez is Houston's only TV health reporter. She's joining us live now with a closer look at why there's so much controversy surrounding this new drug. Haley?
That's right, guys. So the results of this drug show that during testing, patients stayed at a higher cognitive function longer than others who did not receive the drug, according to Dr. Paul Schultz with UT Health. Now, that means it is far from a total cure, but you'll see with Dr. Schultz, as he is very emotional about this, that we are now one step closer to it.
Professor of Neurology with McGovern Medical School at UT Health, Dr. Paul Schultz is newly confident that Alzheimer's will be a treatable disease in his lifetime.
It has been 30 years of trials, and now we have something that had an effect. Didn't cure it, but it had an effect. When you see Alzheimer's patients, you're used to watching them get worse every time you see them.
Now, this drug, aducanumab, works by attacking the amyloid plaque that builds up in the brain and causes the progression of the disease. Dr. Schultz said since they can see those plaques appear decades before symptoms, the drug is a game changer.
Because of that, it means that we have the opportunity potentially to intervene during that time.
But it's not a miracle, and it's been met with a lot of controversy. In November, an advisory panel of outside experts recommended against approving aducanumab, saying there wasn't enough evidence to show it worked. The agency today acknowledging that while the expert community has offered differing perspectives, it feels the benefits outweighed the risks of the therapy. Patients like Ron Deschant is happy to take on the risks for a shot at the reward.
And I would think there's a lot of other patients like me that say the same thing, like, let's just get it on it.
With decades of nothing but disappointment for Alzheimer's patients, Dr. Schultz says this is the best next step.
Now, Dr. Schultz isn't the only medical professional in Houston thrilled about this new drug. I talked to the neurodegenerative department at MD Anderson, as well as the Alzheimer's organization. They all agree this is a historic and positive day for families with Alzheimer's. Chris?
Hey, Haley, for the experts who oppose the use of this drug, what's the next step there?
Well, the FDA is requiring clinical trials to continue, and therefore they would be able to pull it from the market if future data shows that this drug doesn't work. But the immediate next step is determining cost. They're going to be pressing insurance to cover the cost of this drug. The pharmaceutical company says that the treatment is going to cost about $56,000 a year. But after insurance and then the providers get involved, that's really not exactly what the patients will pay. Back to you guys.
All right, Haley, we appreciate the update. Thank you.